Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with Essentials. Make sure your device is online and Chrome is updated because outdated builds block sync. Once done, open Chrome and click the round profile icon at the top right. This is your gateway. Select Sign In or Turn on Sync. The browser prompts the account chooser. If you already use other Google services, Chrome can prefill options, which speeds the process. Follow the on-screen prompt to enter an email or select an existing Google account. Next, you'll provide credentials. Type your Google email or pick a saved account from the list because selection avoids typos. After that, enter your password. Use a password manager if available to paste it accurately and avoid shoulder surfing. Make sure to complete two-step verification when prompted. This is critical for security and Chrome sync. If you choose Remember or Save, Chrome stores a token for easier future sign-ins without saving the raw password on your screen. Finally, enable sync so bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions follow you across devices. That's why signing in matters. Make sure to review sync settings. You can choose specific data types or encrypt everything with a passphrase for extra privacy. Once configured, Chrome will begin syncing in the background. Monitor the profile icon for activity. If something goes wrong, sign out then sign back in, check your network, and clear cookies, or restart the browser to resolve common login hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.